Hello, good evening, Aglazen Martin and all researchers and teachers. Thank you for the opportunity to present today. My name is Yongbo, come from Harbin Institute of Technology. Today, I will share our example study on strength and power structure of cement mortar in air freezing and environments. Our content include 4 parts, like 1, concrete forest damage, and 2, research progress. Then, discussion and analysis, and finally, research prospects. First one, concrete forest damage. Concrete forest related damage is not only a single performance, which become foreign heavy cranes, surface sanding, surface spinning, and rubber concretion, freezing through scanning. There which have and more likely rubber group of decay freeze that occur under low temperature freezing through conditions. The classification: freezing examining damage, freezing sun cycling damage, scanning and surface spilling, freezing including performance increase, international forest damage, and finally self-freezing compound damage. Like freezing expecting damage, micro cracks, individual and purpose, surface scanning, spilling, and internal structure looks. Freezing through cycling damage, which is more likely declining in dynamical aesthetic models, mass-nothing, and attenuation of compressive strength over tensile strength. Cycling and surface damage, surface scanning with aggressive exposure and dusting. Freezing including damage include microstructure, propulsion, enhancing power collectively, and the international forest damage, growth as crystal within international powers, increasing induce contribution of international stress, and finally, celting freezing compound damage, which is more likely freeze through damage acceleration significant and to rapidly surface erosion. Now, look at part 2, research and progress. More researchers discuss this topic. Concrete forest led to several deterioration of international power structure and or mechanical property. The representative result, like 1, elevator, quantitatively analyzed the effects of freezing rate and part size distribution. Core investigates the marifani of ice crystal within air verse. Don explains the relationship between concrete and power structure. Han study on the influence of pre-cleaning duration of strength. Now, there have an interesting idea. Limited study have addressed the evolution of concrete power structure under sub-zero temperatures and its impact on the mechanical opportunity. So, we have an example. Now, there have a discussion and analysis. Looking for this figure, the conclusion: increase water cement reduce the compressive of cement. And 2, short pre-cooling prompt irreversible large person. but, which is slowly the final parts due to higher protein content. And 3. Stress development is governed by pore structure, particularly 100 and 2 from 100 to 2000 milliliters pore at the early age. Finally, subtle temperatures include limited strength loss, but significant resistor-tribute pore structure. Now, we have some research perspectives. What is the perspective? Look at this. Outlooks. Our outlooks divided to 3 parts. And the first one, temperature of evolution pore structure at the early age, under sub-zero temperature. And 5, qualitatively link pre-cooling moisture forest resistance. And 3, multi-factor couples forest damaging mechanism, which is important. Especially in multi-factor competence. So, look at thanks. This is the final. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to take any question. Thanks.